So the superhero kits, we've got three. We've got Rocket Fuel, Focus Pocus and Superpowers. So this is the Rocket Fuel. And it comes with, we'll get everything out. So we've got three of the bamboo trays in here. So you can grow three of the different seeds. And obviously they'll last for years. They're 100% plastic free and biodegradable. And then they've got the plant markers for the different seeds that are included, and a measuring spoon for guidance. We've got the seeds, so each of these, they've all got 3,000 seeds in, so you can get multiple grows. And then a little bag of the coir. So we've got 9 blocks of these in here for using for growing. And these are the germination covers. So there's 3 of those that sit over the tray when you plant them. Again, you can find our tutorials on YouTube. I've made loads, about over 100, uploaded them to help people. But because these are designed for children, there's also a word search and a colouring mandala. We've also got the growing calendar, so you can check off when you're planting them, so you can see when you're putting them into the light and things, and see how long they take. Full inclusive instructions here. When you do place an order, you will also get a link to our tutorials, which you can find on YouTube. And also, on all of them, we've got all of our nutritional information for each of the seeds and what they do for us. And finally, we've got the Teeny Trump playing cards. So really good, fun, interactive way to get kids, interested in growing, what they're eating, how it grows. They've all got superfood ratings, vitamins, minerals, nutrients. Just a nice little fun thing for the growing kit. And obviously these are all replenishable. So all you need to do is get more seed and growing medium, and it's just, they're 100% plastic free and they will carry on growing.